Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Sheets tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. This is actually quite simple. To do this I'm going to open up Google Sheets. And here I have a lot of data. As we can see, grid lines are visible at the moment. How do I remove them? For this I click on View, go to Show, and I can remove or show the grid lines here. If I click on this, the grid lines are hidden in Google Sheets. If you want to show grid lines again, you go the same way. View, Show and Grid Lines. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.